You are at the opening of Saberi, so what would you like to say about your presence here?
Well, I'm always very happy to be here for the Sabris because they are not just friends, they're like family friends. I've known them for decades, in fact, right now. And every time there is an occasion to be here और मुझे मौका मिलता है इनके साथ जुड़ने का इनके जैसे कि इनके opticians places is they're very famous for that. So I would never miss an opportunity. So they're like I said, not just friends, they're like family. Yeah.
So Saberi usually focuses on the quality of the service that they provide to the customers. So what would you like to say about that?
Yeah, if you see that they have made a name for themselves, they've made a mark for themselves. They believe in providing high quality products for at a very reasonable price. Also, they're affordable prices also, and they have really made like a huge market out here, and they're very respected people, respected brand, and like I said, it's always a proud moment to be associated with them, and. So it's like I said, I don't miss an opportunity whenever there is whenever there is a chance to come. Plus, like I said, Asad being a doctor, he has his own hospital, eye care hospital, and just recently I just did my test with him, complete checkup, and so he's got the most advanced equipment today, probably in the country, and his doctors are very good, his staff is very good. Um, very aesthetically done and very professional. Very professional.
Looking forward in joining with them and collaborating with them in future.
Well, let's see. I mean to say, like I said, whenever there's an opportunity, I do come for that store openings and visits and all that. If there's ever an opportunity to associate with them in terms of any kind of business, or we'll look into it. Yeah.